How to manage your videos and photos settings on Facebook app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to manage your videos and photos on Facebook app. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Facebook. Now click on those three lines up there and click on the setting icon beside the search icon. Scroll down and click on media. Now scroll down again and you have videos and photos setting. And you have reduced 3D photo motion or sounds in the app. You have app updates, link open externally. You choose if you want to turn on or off these options and manage your videos and photos settings. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and like.